I got too many grandkids. That's my problem.
Well, my life's improved since I met you, for sure.
To the sisters?
I think so, yeah.
We got pickle shots.
This would be the definition of a hole in the wall.
What's
How
up,
are you?
Jackie?
They have pedicure.
We're badass bikers. We ain't getting no manicure. You had me at gravy. Now we're gonna run over to Tokyo. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay. Morning, folks. Welcome back. Guess I'll shut that off for a second. Welcome back. A week from today, we'll be riding the Three Twisted Sisters. So if you go back and check out the last few videos of mine for some details on that. But today, we've been under threat of rain for a few days, but got less than half an inch. And it doesn't look like it's going to rain today, even though it's very overcast. So I'm going to take a few of the bolts to the Tipsy line over in West Texas. That's West, Texas, not West Texas, but the town of West Texas. So yeah, come along for the ride.
Good morning, sunshine. Happy YouTube morning.
Good morning.
Miss me?
All the time.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Inquiring minds want to know, are you coming to the sisters?
I think so,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew you wouldn't disappoint me.
Yeah.
What's your excuse?
I got too many grandkids. That's my problem.
No.
I guess we'll let him slide for that.
We'll let it be a surprise.
Yeah, whether Jay's coming or not.
We talked about getting up at 3 in the morning and riding down there
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
I don't know that that's
I got
very
it.
safe.
It's in the hill country, deer season during the rut.
Well, I know, but that's why you trailer them down there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my truck and trailer them.
Yeah. I never even thought about that.
Yeah. But, I mean, yeah, but. Morning, Chombo.
What's
How
up,
are you?
Jackie?
How are you?
Good, man. How are
Doing good. You like that vest.
You looking well.
You get a new. Is that a new one?
No, it's
No, same one.
see you. Good to see you. Buddy. Hey, you still fine?
Yeah.
Sometimes I get to wondering.
Gerald's been awful quiet. What the hell's wrong with Gerald?
He's in
Out of town, out of
He's
state.
in
Oh.
Carolina.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's say, because he's awful quiet on the.
You
Normally,
know
he's,
that he's the first one to
he's,
go,
he's
I
the
mean,
first- yeah.
I'm surprised he hadn't said anything anyway.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
they're over in North Carolina.
Oh,
They
that's
took
right.
a
All
lot
right,
of stuff over there.
we forgive you, Gerald. I wasn't talking this morning. I was thinking.
you got a reasonable excuse.
Maybe now that when we hold the top button.
I'm saying searching first. Well, you can do that, or searching for a group to join. That's what it says.
Might see mine.
You didn't do anything? No, I just did the searching for group. After he did preparing riding, you got the top button, tell it to beat 3 times. So you got to
Cue the Benny Hill music.
headphones or whatever.
This is when I'm gonna put the Benny Hill music in.
Yeah, that's what it matters. 4 hours later.
Yeah.
Did you hold your top button down? Okay.
Says I'm a group member, so you the administrator? I canceled it and hit that top button. got a plan. I'll back clean up, Sean, so go ahead in front of me.
Riding hard, riding heavy. Find that pot of gold. Riding far, riding steady. Before I get too goddamn low.
Riding hard, riding heavy.
I'll meet you down on Main Street. Find some place to go. If you're looking, keep on looking. We'll see you down the road. Now poets and pickers tell the stories of our time. Some to find the reason, some to find the rhyme. I was born to be a rusty boat. I'll be one till I die. Pack your bags and saddle up, boys. We're shooting for the stars. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first bar. Come rain or shine, we're going. There ain't no stopping now. I'll say it just to say it. We're riding anyhow. Now poets and pickers tell the stories of our time. Some to find the reason, some to find the rhyme. I was born to be a rusty boat. Will be till I die. It's time to mourn home. It feels just like a dream. From Big Bend to Uvalde, oh, the sights we have seen. We'll get 'em going that way. Come one of us, come on. Left my box fan in Abilene. We'll be back for the fall. Now poets and pickers tell the stories of our time. Some to find the reason, some to find the rhyme. I was born to be a rusty boat. I'll be one till I die. Now poets and pickers tell the stories of our time. Some to find the reason, some to find the rhyme. I was born to be a rusty boat. I'll be one till I die. I was born to be a rusty boat. I'll be one till I die.
Well, made it. Friend Carlos is here. How's your life changed since you made an appearance on the channel?
Well, my life's improved since I met you, for sure.
We got pickle Sean.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Short and sweet. Oh, it's like college.
You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
Yeah, that's right.
What are y'all celebrating?
Married life, being alive.
Hey!
Being badass bikers.
We're celebrating her 50th birthday. Birthday and birthday.
Can you kind of tell us about the Tipsy Lion? Like, how long has this been here?
Tipsy Lion's been here since 2000, owned by Nicole Metnemick.
And it's been the Tipsy Lion, the name, since 2000? Or?
Since 2000, yes.
So what is this building?
No, I mean 2020.
Oh, 2020.
2020. Prior to that, it was a steakhouse back in
send this to
2001, something like Willie Wiley's or something like that. I'm not sure the name. Upstairs is just as big as downstairs. They got a mural of Hank Williams on the wall. I've been told.
Oh yeah, we'll have to go check that out.
So what, is there something going on in town? Shopping?
So yeah, so it's like a Christmas market they do once a year.
What is this?
Yeah.
Is this a 50th birthday party? Yeah, we got a 50th birthday party next to it. They're having a good time, yeah.
Don't worry.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Give them a sticker.
You're wearing yours, you got all the stickers.
Here we go. Check it out.
Subscribe. You got to get on and subscribe.
That's right.
So this way, the next time during town, we're gonna do a YouTube channel. I'm gonna take them off for pedicure and manicure.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be a hoot.
Oh, that'll be
That'll
great.
be fun.
It is gonna be fun, and we'll let you know when that's gonna happen.
We're back.
They have pedicure.
We're badass bikers. We ain't getting no manicure.
We have enough tequilas. Well, we'll start here. We'll have a few beers, tequilas, and we'll go. It's just on the other side of the street for manicure, pedicures. Yes.
Oh, definitely.
Do it. That's
Did you used to ride? Yeah.
I love it.
All right.
Awesome.
2 more subscribers.
Awesome. Thank you. Good
Awesome.
to see y'all.
Got here for breakfast.
Yeah.
Took Shirley down there. We rented a boat. We were riding around. And we were way off the bank, but you could see people.
Carlos, it's good to see you again, man.
Brother, it's awesome seeing you, man.
Yeah,
God
thanks for
bless
having
you,
us in
Travis.
South Carolina.
Yeah,
New subscriber. He can't make it to the sisters, but next time.
next time.
Yeah. That was a fun trip to the Tipsy Lion. Now we're gonna run over to Tokyo. Konnichiwa. I didn't follow my own rule about cutting in half and eating the half. I didn't eat it all, but I ate too much. Oh, we made it to the Tokyo store. This would be the definition of a hole in the wall.
See how far?
Yeah.
Is there a hole for it to fall into?
Yeah. That's just a can.
There you go, Glenn Wilson for you.
You got a little foundation problem here at the Tokyo store.
Cat races. We could put little lanes in there for you.
Yeah.
Whew. I'm so freaking full. Shouldn't have ate well, I didn't eat it all, but I shouldn't have eaten as much as I did. Ugh. Hey, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you hungry?
No, so full.
I bought carnitas, so maybe tomorrow. How was it?
Oh, it was great, yeah. We went back to West to the Tipsy Lion in West.
Oh, okay. Where was Gerald?
They're in like Tennessee or something, I think.
Oh, that's right. They're helping the people over there.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
That's sad.
Yeah.
I've seen her post and it's very sad.
I got greeted by my beautiful wife, Mrs. Bogey. If you haven't followed her on Instagram, please do so. We had a good day at the Tipsy Lion, and then we went to the Tokyo store. You ever been there?
What's that?
Oh, it's an old rundown.
In West?
Yeah, it's outside West. It's an old rundown. The floor is like this, and you feel like you're gonna fall through. It's an old wooden. You talk about Mexico. It's like Mexico. So anyway, 1 week from today, we will be at the Twisted Sisters. You sure you don't want to go?
No, I'm fine.
So check out my previous videos for details on that. Hope you can join us. I forgot to score that burger at the Tipsy Lion. That's as good as the Captain Billy Whiz Bang, so I'm going to give it an 81. But I'm hoping by the time I get in my recliner, it's raining, but we shall see. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.